Welcome, this is Daniel from WeLaunch, and I will show you how you can do machine translations inside WordPress with an easy-to-use plugin. So our new plugin, the WordPress Multilingual Multisite, has an option to do machine or automatic translations automatically by default. So you have an option here in the settings called Enable Machine Translations, and if you enable that, you will have to set a service provider, for example. You can use Google Translate, free or paid. You can use DeepL, the Microsoft Text Translator API. And if you choose, for example, DeepL, which we recommend because the translation quality is really good, you then have to set an API key. We have removed that API key because of security reasons, so you have to get your own one from deepl.com, and you will be charged per wording. The costs are not that high if you compare that to a manual translation, of course. After that, you can specify the post data keys that will be translated. For example, by default, it will be the post title, post content, and post excerpt. And you can also choose post meta keys, like for example, my custom field. The same applies to terms. So terms are categories, for example, WooCommerce product categories or post categories. There you can specify the data keys and also the meta keys. For terms, it is by default name, slug, and description. I will now show you how you can translate a page and also how you can translate a category. So if we go to Pages, I created a test page called This is my test here. At first you can check this box here and you can do a bulk translation to translate via DeepL automatically. But I will show you how you can do a translation directly from the post page. So if we open up the post, you can see here, this is my test in the title, and a description, let us see how it works. If we now scroll down a bit and go to machine translation, you will see a source language that you can set. For example, we have English here, and you can specify a target language. This would be German. If we click now on the button Translate via DeepL, the post will be sent to the DeepL Translation API service, and the returned data will be set into the post title and also into the post description. So you can see here now the post has been translated. Our plugin also works with backend editors, front-end editors like Visual Composer. But this is a very rare case. So for example, if we are going to go into posts and categories, I will now show you how you can translate a category. Same here, if you click on Edit, the My English category, and you scroll down a bit, you will see a point called Machine Translation. Same here, source language, target language, and you can click on Translate via DeepL. Let us click on that one. And you can see here the name of the term and the slug has been translated. I did not set a description, but if you have set a description, then this will be translated also. This is basically it, and this is how you can use the Machine Translation API service of our plugin. If you would like to know more, or if you have questions, just comment. And if you want to buy our plugin, please read in the description how you can buy it. Thank you very much.